Welcome to Machinery Magazine, where giant bridge construction, advanced engineering, and powerful machines reveal how tomorrow's infrastructure is built today. The South 200th Link extension demonstrates how modern transit projects come together through careful planning and precise coordination. In this time-lapse, countless hours of work are compressed into minutes, revealing excavators, cranes, concrete crews, and paving equipment operating in perfect sequence. Every stage depends on accurate surveying, strict safety standards, and teamwork between engineers, operators, and inspectors. Projects like this improve regional mobility while reducing traffic congestion and supporting sustainable urban growth. Although the accelerated footage looks effortless, each completed section represents months of preparation, quality control, and logistical planning before passengers ever experience the finished railway. Building a high-speed railway demands extraordinary precision, especially when installing massive bridge girders. For the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project, specialized launching equipment lifts and positions enormous concrete girders weighing hundreds of tons without disrupting the landscape below. Instead of relying entirely on conventional cranes, engineers use sophisticated launching gantries that move segment by segment along completed piers. This method increases safety, improves efficiency, and allows construction to continue in locations where ground access is limited. Every girder must be aligned within extremely small tolerances because even minor deviations could affect the performance of trains traveling at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. Laser-guided measurements, hydraulic lifting systems, and constant monitoring ensure each placement meets demanding engineering standards. These remarkable construction techniques demonstrate how modern infrastructure combines heavy machinery with advanced technology to create one of the world's fastest rail networks. Moving an 820-ton box girder is an engineering challenge requiring exceptional planning and specialized machinery. A full-span launching system transports the entire precast section from the fabrication yard before carefully positioning it between bridge piers. Hydraulic systems distribute the enormous load evenly, preventing excessive stress during lifting and placement. This approach significantly accelerates bridge construction because complete spans can be installed in fewer operations than traditional segment-by-segment methods. The result is faster project completion, consistent structural quality, and reduced disruption beneath the bridge construction zone. Maintaining highways is just as important as building them, and asphalt milling plays a vital role in extending pavement life. Instead of removing the entire road structure, milling machines precisely shave away the damaged surface while leaving the lower layers intact whenever possible. Their rotating drums, equipped with carbide cutting teeth, grind old asphalt into reusable material known as reclaimed asphalt pavement, or RAP. This recycled material can often be blended into new asphalt mixtures, reducing both construction costs and environmental impact. Once milling is complete, the cleaned surface provides the ideal foundation for fresh asphalt. Modern paving machines distribute the new mixture evenly across the roadway, while rollers compact it to achieve the required density and smoothness. Temperature control, material consistency, and proper compaction are critical for creating a pavement that can withstand years of heavy traffic and changing weather conditions. This combination of milling, paving, and compaction allows road maintenance crews to restore highways quickly while minimizing lane closures. It is a highly efficient process that improves driving comfort, increases road safety, and makes better use of valuable construction materials. Behind every smooth highway lies a carefully coordinated operation involving skilled workers, advanced machinery, and precise engineering practices. Thank you for watching this Machinery Magazine compilation. If you enjoyed exploring today's incredible engineering projects and heavy equipment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing construction innovations.